Hi, so I'm just going to show you, we've got this Denver chair here, so I'm just going to show you how to attach the lateral bracket to the back of the chair. So this chair doesn't have one, so we send these out apart. So we just want to come in here, just going to unhitch the back. So the best and the easiest way to attach this bracket is by taking the whole back off the chair. So pull up the locks and just lift it out of the back like so. So it gives you a wee clear space to work on it. Sadly, if you're doing your hands and knees. So the best way to attach this is if you find this middle fir tree hole, it's around the region. Obviously in here in the factory we have a jig that holds it in place and the right measurement every time. So you just go to the above the fir tree and then you get your measurements in from there. So what we're doing is we're going to measure the side out to the wing and the side out to the wing so that this isn't lying off centre and so on. So get it around the centre and just measure out. So we've got about 6.5 there, 6 there, so maybe a wee bit. So we'll see again. 6.1. It's not that far away there. So keep it right to the top of the fir tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of my self tappers in one side just to level it up then. So also just using the 4 holes. So just put it in loosely. Using my tape then again. So just from the top of the plastic down. So we're about 34.1 there. And we want to be measuring down then for this hole on the right hand side this time. So it's actually not too far away there at that. So just to keep it level, so it's 34.1 there. And then it means that we can just put on the rest of the tappers. So we need 4 self tappers in the back of this just to hold the tray. There is wood in the back in that region there, so that'll be going straight into wood, it's not just on the plastic. Just going to tighten up the first one. So that's your bracket on there. It's even enough at the sides, it's level in the middle because we've measured down from the top. And we're just using, that's your center piece there, so we're using that. And then just to get it back on there, so get it back up. I find it easiest just to put on one side first and get the other side. Just give it a wee wiggle and always remember then just to put the locks back in place on the Denver, and that's your lateral bracket on the chair. Thank you.